apart from that, what would you say, how should we focus our attention and maybe our budget on while organizing a wedding in 2021?
Yeah, I think with smaller guest counts, couples are finding that they have maybe more of their budget to focus on, sort of like the experience touch points of a wedding. And so, if you were anticipating a 200-person wedding and you scaled back to, 60, 50, even less, you do have more room in your budget to, add those extra details, whether it's a really lovely welcome basket with a warm baguette and some rosé or something like that, or maybe it's a wine tour the day before, little details that you might not have been necessarily able to include before. I think those are making a huge impact on the overall guest experience. And even just the little details, what you can do in terms of details and beauty with a 20-30 person table is, the scale is so incredible when you're comparing that to what you might need to do for a larger wedding. So it's, smaller guest counts, but we're not skimping on any of the details. So tons of flowers, beautiful paper goods, beautiful linens, wonderful food and drink. We're kind of seeing more is more, but with a smaller group. So I think that's really exciting, and that's something that I like to see, and I know that guests really, really enjoy.
True, sometimes smaller wedding means the couple has more attention to the guest and more time to pay attention to the fun and entertainment throughout the reception as well. Everyone spends a great time. So I guess you touched some good points over there with the gifts and the little touches and the details in the decorations. And of course, sometimes larger events turning into smaller events. Couples may feel down because they may think that it won't be as fun as they thought it would be.